How to delete Instagram search suggestion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestion. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and now you'll see all your recent searches and search suggestion. And here to remove individual searches, you can just tap on X icon next to each one. And here, if you want to clear everything at once, then here you can just tap on see all option, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here on the next page, you can just tap on clear all option, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen as well. And there you can simply confirm your action by tapping on clear all button if prompted. And here, if you don't see the see all option, then what you can do is you can just go back and tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you can just tap on three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, you can simply scroll down and tap on your activity. And here you can simply scroll down and tap on the recent searches. And here finally you can just tap clear all in the top right corner and then tap clear all again to confirm, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.